Hi, I'm Greg Delaney, User Advocate for Venafi as a Service. Today we're going to take a look at notifications available within Venafi as a Service. And let's start out with the dashboard. You can scroll down to the bottom and we can see a few applications. Now, at the end of this video, I'll include a link to another video about how to create applications. These certificates, this is a grouping of certificates that are tied to the application. The application helps me to assign both owners to the application. Those are the people that should be notified if any of the certificates supporting the application are nearing expiration. I can also assign certificate issuing templates to the application. Issuing templates, they help to govern things like issuance of certificates, controlling the CA that's used to issue certificates, as well as parameters of the certificates, things like the key strengths. But let's take a look at the details that we're able to see within Venafi as a Service. So here I have medium risk certificates that are affecting this application. I want to click into it. And what I'm going to notice are the different details of the certificate. I'm going to see the issuer. I'm going to see the certificate chain, the hashing algorithm that's used for it. I can also click into the installation location. And this is the gold mine of information. When there is an outage and it's caused by an expired certificate, it's like finding a needle in a haystack trying to figure out where that certificate is located. We're going to show you the IP address where we found the certificate, the port that we found it on, the scan type that we used to discover it, and when it was last seen. Now, a notification an application owner is going to receive a notification, and it's going to look something like this. This notification is telling me that I have a medium risk certificate, one that's expiring in the next 8 to 30 days, and it's affecting one of the applications that's assigned to me. I can click into this and I can view the certificate, just the details that I just walked through. I might also receive something like this if I have multiple applications that are assigned to me, and multiple certificates that are at risk. In this case, I have a high risk certificate that's expiring in the next 7 days, as well as a low risk certificate, something that's expiring between 30 and 60 days, something I want to add to my to-do list. Now, this is for application owners, and this is going to be specific to them, always relevant to them about certificates that support applications they care about. For a PKI admin, they might be interested in the entire health of their certificate inventory. This notification is the Machine Identity Digest, and it's going to show you a complete roll-up of all the certificates in your inventory. In this case, I can see 18 certificates have expired. That's a big problem, because if it's showing up on this report, I know that those are active out there somewhere, and they're probably causing an outage to somebody that's relying on those certificates. I can also see things like a weak hashing algorithm, as well as things like installations that are at risk. I might see something here that says 79 that have an update that's required. And you might be wondering, what does that mean? If you scroll down to the bottom, there is a helpful key. I can see that update required means certificate installations that are using older versions of the certificates that should be replaced with newer versions. And this is all really helpful. You can, all of this is hyperlinks. You can click directly into this and navigate to those certificates. Instead, I'm gonna take you back into the portal, and we're gonna adjust the settings to our notifications. I can do this by clicking on my profile in the upper right-hand corner, and I can click on Preferences. Preferences exposes an area, and I can click on notifications. There's two different drop downs, right? So here's the Machine Identity Digest that I just walked through, as well as the application certificate expiration. Within here, I can adjust things like the frequency. I can change this to weekly and exposes this calendar view, so I can identify which days of the week I want to receive this. I can also add in email addresses that are outside of my outside of the users of the product, and they will receive my notifications as well. So all of this capability, it's free for you to start using and trying today. I'll add a link within the description, or you can simply visit vas.venafi.com/sign up to get started. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button while you're here.